up your eggplant.
Yan. Lagyan natin ng
I am cutting the spinach to mix with the eggplant.
natin ating spinach. So ito yung ating mixed tortang talong. Inihaw natin talong with onion, garlic, and tomato. Salt and pepper and egg. Spinach. So, nanguha tayo ng spinach sa garden. Sarap din ang ating tortang talong. Mix lang natin ang ating
Mixing together with the other ingredients.
na malalaki. Yan yung talong dito sa amin, malalaki. So, ayan po. Mix natin. So, dadagdagan pa natin ito ng konting asin.
Add salt and pepper to taste.
So, nilagay ko po dyan ay onion or medium onion. Medium size. Tapos, garlic, fresh garlic. So, ayan na ang ating mixture. And then, let's go! Hindi naman pala.
And now it's time to fry them in a small pan.
Tortang talong with spinach. Ayan na, perfect na. Sabi ko na sa inyo. Lipat natin ang plato para magandang tingnan. Yan, dito natin ilagay. Para perfect na perfect. O, yan, diba?
Put a little bit of oil in pan every time we put the eggplant.
And then mix lang natin. Para yung lasa niya.
Cook this and your children will like it.
Yan natin. Ayan ang masarap. Sa inyo guys, mape-perfect na natin yan. O, diba guys? Ito yung ating mixture ng eggplant, onion, garlic, tomato, salt and pepper, egg, and spinach. O, ayan. So, and then ito yung ating
And now we have tortang along with spinach.
try nyo guys, and this is it. So yummy. Pwede rin siya burger. Ayan, pwede rin yun siyang gawing burger. Eggplant burger. Masarap. Ayan guys,
Now we cook the rest of eggplant.
Tignan natin to. Opa! Kadat! sa inyo, mape-perfect natin eh.
Cover the
Guys,
pan
kumakain
too.
ako.
Cook well inside.
Sarap, I can't I can stop eating with this. Ang sarap kasi, oh. Kita nyo. So yummy. So try nyo guys. Medium heat lang yan. Oh, diba? Ang galing. Guys, I put the cover para maluto yung loob niya. Pero yung ano niya, eggplant niya, luto na yung eggplant niya. Kasi nag-grill ko siya. Lagyan pa natin ng konti. Para, yan, ganyan. Sabi ko naman sa inyo guys. So, ayan guys ha. Try this. And thank
Looks
you for
yummy.
watching.
Thank you
And
for watching.
Subscribing my channel. Thank you for your time and support. God bless. Bye bye.